Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So just a quick video to keep you guys posted if you are tied into the Google ecosystem and are using Google Chat, where yesterday on the 12th of December, Google has started rolling out improvements to mentions in Google Chat. Now, basically what's changing according to this announcement is there are scenarios, Google says, in which you may want to reference a person with an @ mention without adding them to a conversation in Google Chat. So now when mentioning a user that is not already in the conversation, you will have the option to add them and send the message, or just send the message without adding them. And I actually think that's a nice move if you are using Google Chat. And another little improvement they have rolled out is they are adding visual improvements by rendering @ mentions as smart chips, which brings them more in line with draft chips. And that's something I have posted on previously. That brings them more in line with draft chips in chat and smart chips across workspace. And with simplified colors, your personal mentions still stand out according to Google the most and will be easily spotted in conversations, home, and mentions. So this is just an example of some of those. And then another little improvement they've mentioned on the web, they say hovering on the chip will show more information about the person, and clicking the chip will start a new one-to-one direct message with them. So if this is something you are using a lot in Google Chat, @ mentions and so on, this could be a step forward, as I would say, on the channel. Now, the whole reason Google has rolled out these improvements to mentions in Google Chat, they say this feature reduces friction for users by making it easier to provide context when composing messages. And the rollout pace started yesterday on the 12th of December 2024 and should be completed by, I would say, around about the middle of January next year, 2025. And the availability is to all Google Workspace customers, Workspace individual subscribers, and if you're like me with a personal Google account, the good news is you also get these improvements rolling out to mentions in Google Chat. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.